let's start modeling a rabbit. I'm sure you'll create a piece of art. Prepare 4 colors of clay: blue, white, red, and black. Let's start with a body. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a carrot with your hand. Hooray! The body is done. It's time to model ears. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 middle balls. Then roll into sausages with your hands. And pin them with your finger. Awesome job! Ears are done. Let's make a muzzle. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 middle ball. Roll it into a cone with your fingers. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! The muzzle is done. Model eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. You've done it! Eyes are done. Let's model pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Model a nose. Take a piece of red clay and roll 1 little ball. Then roll it into a sausage with your fingers. And pin a nose with your finger. Hooray! A nose is done. Now make paws. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 middle balls. And roll them into a cone with your hand. Attach them. Then take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 little balls with your fingers. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And bend them with your fingers. Well done! Paws are done. It's time to make a tail. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 little ball. Hooray! A tail is done. Let's make teeth. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 little ball with your fingers. And pin it with your finger. Now let's make a cut with a cutter. Super! Come on! Teeth are done. Everyone will like your rabbit. I guess you want to make one more figure.